The question was asked if women are allowed to use a makeup on Shabbos. So, which is very interesting. So I took wrong book, unfortunately. I meant to take something else. But here is also, I just saw there is a topic, makeup on Shabbos, so we're going to cover that, and we can do some other things as well, because our topic is Halachos for Women, and our topic is Shabbos. So let's start from this book, and the name of the book is Halachically Speaking. It's a very famous rabbi, Rabbi Lev Leib. So he's actually lives in my town, or I live in his town, and he's head of rabbinical head of Kuf K. There's a kashering agency. So when I have kashering question, not like in general, I go to him. Okay, so Baruch Hashem. Chapter 16. Okay, so chapter 16, and topic is coloring on Shabbos. So what is the problem with the makeup on Shabbos? Right, it's coloring. Tovia coloring is one of 39 melachas which is forbidden to perform on Shabbos. Right, the Melacha of Tovia was used in the Mishkan, coloring rams' heights for Yiriyos. Okay, we're going to explain. Rambam said that Tovia is only forbidden min Torah if it's leave the lasting effect. If the effect is only temporary, then it's only forbidden midrabanan. Okay, so first we go with when we learn about melachas and what is forbidden. So we always have to go to the roots, right? And roots are all of these melachas were forbidden. Melacha is forbidden work in Mishkan, in the tabernacle, in a desert. So they were they were coloring the skins of the rams, right? So when you coloring the skin, it means permanent. That's so you want to stay this color, right? So solid color. So all of the skins would be on the same color. Otherwise, if you skin the animals, so all animals have different colors naturally, right? That's not what you want. You want one universal color, and you want this color to stay. So if it has a lasting effect, so it's biblical. If it's not lasting effect, it's rabbinical. So and draw the parallel, we can already see that coloring makeup on Shabbos would be rabbinically forbidden. 1 second. Continue. There is a discussion in Poskim how much time considered are permanent. The Melacha of Tznius only applies to items which are typically colored. Right, so that's another thing. So something that are typically colored. And of course, we're going to say it's only for constructive purpose. If it's for destructive purpose, so it's not that does not come under this prohibition. Coloring means enhancing the appearance of something by adding color. So we see makeup is already in this category. So I'm going to read some of the notes. So example of this would be coloring in a coloring book. Right, so that's that for sure. Regarding polishing shoes that are already polished, see Mishnah Brura. So that's a different story, because even though the shoes are polished, right? So you're going to smooth out and add color, like it's going to shine. Also a problem. Continue. Placing coloring object onto a table is not Tovia because the object were not changed.